Hi Capricorn, this is your next 7 days reading starting from 21st of May to the 27th of May. I'm going to look at this period for you to understand what energies are coming in. I have taken out your cards. I'm going to look at your energies through the tarot cards, and I have taken out the spread. I have clarified, and I have the idea of what energies are going to impact you and how you are going to deal with it. So I will be talking about your various energies that are going to be around you, new and old, some things coming from past, some things are new, and what is your brief immediate future. That's what I'm going to talk about. So there has been a tower with the Hierophant. So the tower and the Hierophant means these are two very opposing cards. One is all about a sudden change and an impactful change rather, and the Hierophant is all about convention. It is all about trying to keep the status quo. So basically, the Hierophant and the tower happens when something needs to finish in our lives, but we are not finishing it and we are trying to deny. But what happens is this change of the universe keeps happening and it will happen. So basically, this sudden change happened in the past and that is still impacting you, and with the Hierophant you are trying to balance it with your conventionality. So this could be an external situation that is impacting your current approach in life. So basically something you got displaced or you got disturbed, you saw some changes happening in world affairs. It could be connected to your travel, your investment, your job situation, your love situation. So this sudden change has impacted you, but with the Hierophant you are trying to move with your conventional approach, that is learning your lessons, taking advice, moving forward, learning your lessons, moving with the rules and regulations in the picture. So basically trying to improve in a certain certain parentheses. So basically you are not free to make decisions at this time. You could be canceling some plans, you could be moving or slowing down a process. So what is happening is, however, a big change has come and a destination has come for you. A decision of an ending has come to you. It could be a very disadvantageous or heavy burdensome period coming to an end, and it came suddenly. But you are trying to conform to this change with your traditional approach or taking the higher road. So the Six of Pentacles is here. Six of Pentacles means in terms of relationship, if you have gone through a disturbance, you are trying to plug in those holes in this relationship with an exchange or a reciprocative attitude. You could be giving, or you could be becoming more generous. You could be paying out in a situation, or you could be getting some money back in this situation. So there is a possibility that gifts, benefits, blessings, or compensation is coming to you. You could be taking a decision to move away from a already established or already planned situation, and you are suddenly moving away from that with a decision to unburden yourself from a plan. So this could be a relationship, this could be a commitment which is broken because of the tower, and you have decided to lay down the difficulty and move towards, settling the affair with some material compensation. That is the energy I am seeing. So with the Knight of Pentacles, you want to move slowly. You want to move slowly because you have experienced the tower, and you are dedicating yourself in a very slow movement in your life, very stable, and moving with loyalty and perseverance. So this could be, making money in your economy slowly, not wanting to take a leap of faith at this time, trying to be conservative, because what has happened is suddenly a change has come with the Wheel of Fortune that has broken your heart already. So it is not going to hurt you so much because you are a long grace horse and you are a mountain goat, Capricorn. So you keep climbing despite the small accidents that takes place. So you are very persevering regarding your objectives. So something has changed the situation, and that has brought some sorrow, hard luck to you, but it has come to you and you are feeling a sense of loss. But you will be in the Knight of Pentacles approach. You will be stable. So this can be happening in your personal life. You could be going through some problems. This could be love problems, problem in marriage, or this could be, work situation that has caused some tensions, and it is creating some kind of displacement energy. But you are doing fine because you are very stable. You are the Knight of Pentacles. So as you move forward in this week, what you will see is the acceptance energy with the Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is coming for everyone. It is asking you to absorb. It is asking you to accept, open your heart, give and receive. So exchange, accept, try to be emotionally intelligent in this time period and not get deterred by situations that are of they are not in control of you. So basically things can go from this to that and you have no control. So what you need to do is to accept the situation. So the tensions that you are feeling can be controlled with the Queen of Cups energy, that is being emotionally intelligent at this time. And very soon with the Ace of Wands and the Knight of Wands, the Page of Wands, good news will come. So the good news will be for benefit of you. With the Ace of Wands, if you are going through health problems, life force will come back, you will improve. If you are stuck in terms of your travel or movement, a opportunity will come to move forward and go for it. In terms of your work, new ideas, motivation, good news regarding your economy can come to you. So in terms of your work, you are in a stalemate with the Eight of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords. So Eight of Pentacles and Eight of Swords, as I see the cards, can mean that a new thing is in front of you. You got to embrace that. But with the Eight of Swords, this is causing you hesitation. This is giving you the self-doubt energy. So you can dive into the new thing, you can get trained for the new thing, you can embrace this new work, you have the ability to create a foundation with hard work and detailed work. But you are somehow in a feeling stopped by your fear. And this is all this is a mental prison. Eight of Swords, this is a mental prison created by yourself. So this is a stalemate situation in work. This could be causing you some a serious impact in this time period, because it is putting the seeds of fear in your mind regarding this new situation or new work or a new approach towards your business. This happens to people when they have a brilliant idea. When they start working on that, they could be having this fear at the back of their heart or in their mind about reaching success with their new plan. So this is the kind of energy I am seeing, but this is a passing energy. Tarot is a quick energy situation, and you will get through this. You will get through this once you decide to take a break, once you decide to think about it in isolation. So take time out to tap into your own wisdom, and then move forward slowly, because you could be at the top of the mountain. You could be at a position where the path is dangerous, so you got to take steps slowly and illuminate the next step, just the next step, so that you get through this. This is shadow walking, actually. This is walking in the dark with this very small illumination of this lantern. So basically, you will be able to move out of this with wisdom. And with the King of Pentacles, I am seeing you very strong, rooted, and leader like in this situation, in this situation of your work, career, money, and finance. Though it is a tightrope walk, you will be showing great stability. That is what I am seeing, and you will be able to attract the perfect balance of your money, your work, your effort, all conforming with each other and putting you in a place of power in your work. So basically, you will get through this. With the Page of Cups, you are going to see improvement in your economy with the King of Pentacles approach. So you will be in great success position, sitting securely in your place. That is the place that you have decided to be in terms of your economy. In terms of your love life, what I am seeing is again a situation that is a bit dark with the moon, and but with the presence of star, what is happening is, if you are going through emotional problems with your close people, if you have difficulty in resolving a crisis with them, if you are not seeing well-being in your home or family, and you feel that nothing is clear to you, something is hidden, someone is speaking behind your back, someone is not clear in their communication, you focus on star. Star is guiding you. This had to happen. Star is guiding you towards a better future, better place where you can be. And when this situation, this energy of the new moon happens in our lives, and it is happening in your sixth house, the new moon will come on May 26th. So it is moving from your fifth house, fourth and fifth house. So what is happening is, the moon is creating issues with your friends. It could be having issues. You could be having issues with endings. You could be having issues with your health. But angels are asking you to move forward with optimism. Everything will come to light. That is what angels are saying. And you, by the 26th, 27th, things will improve, and you will be guided by the North Star. You will be guided by the stars in the sky, who will help you to move forward to the required place where you have to be. So with the cycle of the situation ending with the world card. A travel can happen, a movement forward, relocation, ending of a cycle with improvement, accomplishment, and endings are going to come in after a period of a bit of darkness and tightrope walking. With the Four of Wands, happiness at home will come back, partnerships will be good, close relationships and alliances will work out, and this could be also, achievement or accomplishment in life and rewards, and stepping into a new world of success will happen to you, will come to you, Capricorn, as you move forward. With the Ace of Cups in this week, you will start feeling better, you will start feeling the new love or the situation changing for you with a new hope. So this new Ace of Cups is initial new situation in terms of emotion, that is of getting the cure, getting the self love, getting out of fear. That's the kind of energy I am seeing, and also experiencing love or a new love or a new idea, motivation, love, feelings that were getting affected because of a certain loss is going to get out of your system. That is what I am seeing, Capricorn. So with the Two of Cups, I see a partnership, I see a new beginning, I see that things become cordial with people you were having troubles with. You could be having good conversation, good friendships, new beginning in love, or your economy is coming in with this Ace of Cups. Once again, the old situation is dying out with the transformation energy of the death. So basically, collaborations, people giving you recognition, people giving you support, teamwork, team spirit in the beginning stages, and friendships are going to help you out, and you are going to experience great energies of new love. That is what I am seeing. Let's read out an angel advice for you. So Capricorn, the Druid card has come for you. This is one of the sacred ones. This says hold the space. So hold things together, don't make any sudden moves or changes. Stand strong knowing you are where you are supposed to be. The Druid were the ancient wise ones of the British Isles. They had a deep connection with the earth, the sun, and the moon. They were the scholars who created the Ogham tree language. So, when the Druid card appears in your reading, you are being guided to dig deep within and hold your station. So, if you are wondering what to do next or have a sense of anxiety about what is unfolding in your life, it's time to shift your perceptions and move back to the state of trust. Don't change your plans or do anything drastic. Just trust in the process and let everything happen as it needs to before taking any more steps. Thanks. Think of a tree. Mm, think of a tree. It has strong roots, yet it continues to grow and bear fruit. Your life will be a reflection of this. So it is asking you, like I said, you are the King of Pentacles, you are the Knight of Pentacles. Stay strong, stay slow, stay in a position of stability. Things are in flux around you, and you have to move forward, and moving forward will happen, but it will happen once you stabilize, once you think twice before walking through this energy of darkness, not knowing unknown things, and the fear. Once you tap into your wisdom, you will be able to walk through this slowly and steadily, and getting there where you want to be. So hold that space for yourself to move forward slowly. That's what the angels are telling you. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked, and pre-slotted. Decide and then contact me through the email ID in the description box. Keep watching this page, Tarot Priestess 1313, for more readings, which I'll be bringing very soon. Bye bye.